Welcome guys back, and one more new stitch that I'm in love with. It's super easy and it looks gorgeous. Um, and this one, next week you're going to see the hat, so stay tuned. I like this stitch because it reminds me cables, and I'm crazy about cables, but these are not cables. It's a beginner friendly stitch for which you need to cast on the number of stitches that is divisible by 3 plus 2 selvage stitches. Slip the first stitch, uh, knit 1, and then knit 2 together, but do not drop the stitch of the needle, and then knit the first stitch and drop 2 stitches of the needle, and repeat. Knit 1, knit 2 together, and then straight away knit 1 and drop. Like this, repeat till the end of the row. And knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, and repeat. Knit 2 together, knit 1. And the last stitch is a selvage stitch, always purl. Row number 2, slip the first stitch and then purl all stitches till the end of row. Purl, purl, purl. In total there will be 4 rows for this stitch, and then you're going to just repeat over and over again. Purl, purl, purl. The last as well. And now actually almost the same, but start not with knit 1, start with knit 2 together and knit 1 and knit 1, and repeat. Knit 2 together, knit first stitch, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit first stitch, drop, knit 1, and repeat till the end. and purl the last stitch, the selvage stitch. And the last row, row number 4, purl all stitches as before. Purl, purl, purl. Till the end. And the last one, selvage stitch. That's it. Repeat 4 rows as many times as needed and use it for scarves, hats, cowls, snoods. Look, just gorgeous. Looks like cable, as I said. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful for you. Uh, Subscribe if you still didn't, and I will see you soon. Bye.